Alright, so in this video, I want to show you guys how you're going to be able to edit faster with ChatGPT. But I am not going to tell you guys to just do the entire video with that cheap AI video. No, we're not going to do any of that because it's going to be really cheap. And we all know that nobody's actually going to want to watch a video like that. So what I am going to tell you is how to actually enhance your creativity with ChatGPT and edit faster and more efficiently using it. So the reason that I'm sharing this is because I've actually been in that spot where I did not enjoy editing. I did not love it at all. And it took a long damn while for me to actually edit an entire video. It would take weeks sometimes for me to finish one damn video. So because I knew it was taking me so long, what I realized is that there was no way I was going to be able to continue with my consistency if it was taking me that long, because I just didn't love that part of the process. But then all of a sudden I saw ChatGPT come out and I saw all the things that it was able to do. And I started tinkering with it. I started using it in my day-to-day life. But then I realized I could probably figure out a way to use it for editing. A whole bunch of those faceless channels, I'm sure that you have seen them, were trying to use it to do the entire videos. But all of the AI videos like that, they were just terrible. There's no way that I would freaking watch any of those videos if I came across them on YouTube. So after messing around with it for a little while and like testing a whole bunch of different things back and forth, I finally found a way to get it to basically take one of my transcripts from one of my videos and then pop out an outline for all the potential visuals that I can add in editing. That basically allowed me to just put my transcript into ChatGPT and then have a whole bunch of ideas that would spark other ideas that I could use for this video. But not only that, I also told it to do it based off of things that I like, based off of things that I wanted to edit with. So I put in the way that I would edit, which is basically just simple pictures that I want to get from Google or from anywhere like that, and video clips from YouTube, video clips from movies, TV shows. So as soon as I would put my transcript in, it would pop out all that stuff that was tailored to what I wanted to do. So basically it would just pop out every single part of the transcript and it would put like maybe 6 ideas for each one. So every time I would go and sit down and have to edit a video, I already had all these ideas that allowed me to spark my own ideas from that. It helped so much because I didn't have to start from this every single time breaking down, okay, what am I going to edit for this part? What am I going to edit for this part? And I think that's really what takes so damn long for editing, because you have to think about every single thing yourself. But when I had ideas to base myself on, and it was off of things that I already liked, for one, that made it more motivating because I was like, I get to edit with stuff that I already like, visuals that I like. Maybe I'm watching a movie or a TV show currently and I want some visuals from there. I can get it to pop up that stuff or give me ideas based off of what is said in the transcript. So it also made it way easier because as soon as I finished a video, I could just take that transcript and put it into ChatGPT, and it had all these things in literally 5 seconds for me to get these ideas from. So the second thing that you can do that can also make this way easier is some of these parts of your transcripts, you can actually put it into a text to video generator. Now, most of them have been pretty bad in the past, but now with Sora just releasing, if you don't know what Sora is, it's ChatGPT's text to video. It's going to cost you some money, but basically you could type in anything that you want and it's going to generate you a video for that. So some of these things that you're seeing in your transcript, you could just copy and paste it into this and you'll be able to get a nice visual that adds to the video. Don't just do it just to have visuals, because some people use it for their entire video and it makes it corny and cheesy. And nobody really wants that. But what you can do is if you see something that can be visually enhanced, then go ahead and put that into this text to video editor, and you're actually going to have something that adds something to the video for the viewer, not just to get it over with. I hope you guys are helped out by this, and I hope you guys share anything that you find that adds on to this. Love you guys.